Hey lovies, welcome back to another delicious recipe. And on today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing this delicious and authentic Ayamase stew recipe. Hope you guys are going to enjoy this. Stay tuned and let's start cooking. So guys, for this Ayamase stew recipe, I'm going to be using 7 green bell peppers, some locust beans, which is also known as Iro, 3 onion, 4 green Scotch bonnet peppers, a cup of red palm oil, some dried prawns, grinded crayfish, 2 Normandy cubes, and salt. And I'm also going to be using some goat meat, some shaki, and strong chicken. And also I'm going to be using some boiled egg and cow skin. So guys, you are free to use any protein of your choice. Right here, I will go ahead and use one of the Normandy cube to season up the beef. And I'll also add in some salt. And I'll also go ahead and add in some onion. I will add just a little tiny bit of water and I will stir this up together and allow it to cook completely, which will take about 20 to 30 minutes. So right here, I will go ahead and start chopping my green bell peppers, which is already washed. And I will also make sure I take off all the seeds from this pepper. And I'll go ahead and dice my onion. So when I'm done with this process, I will set this aside and get my baking tray. I'll go ahead and spread in the green bell peppers and sprinkle just about half a teaspoon of salt on these peppers. And I'm going to be grilling the pepper to make it dry and roast for just 15 minutes. When I'm done with that process, I will go ahead and use my food processor to start blending these peppers, of which I'm going to be grinding it roughly. I'm not going to allow it to come out smooth, which is the signature of Ayamase stew. So right here, my beef is well cooked. I will go ahead and take it off from the beef stock. And you can see the texture of my green peppers. I just went ahead and put that in a sieve so it would drain up all the excess water from the green bell peppers. So right now you can see that I have gone ahead and put in my clean pot in the fire and transferred in my red palm oil, which I'm going to be bleaching on a medium heat. And you can see that my pot is well covered so that flame does not get to come out from the oil while bleaching it. So when my oil is totally bleached, I will switch off the fire and allow it to cool completely. Right here, you can see the color of my oil. It is well bleached. I'll go ahead and add in my meat and fry this, but if you like, you can go ahead and grill yours. So after frying the meat, I will take it off the fire, and at this moment I'll put my fire on a medium heat and add in my diced onion. So I'm going to be stir frying this onion for about 3 minutes so it will caramelize. So after 3 minutes, I'll go ahead and add in my locust beans, which I'm using 1 tablespoonful of locust beans. I'll also go ahead and add in part of my grinded crayfish. I will stir this up together, and at this moment I will go ahead and start adding in my green bell peppers. So guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If it's your first time here, you're so welcome to Lydia Isaac TV. I hope you do find this recipe helpful, and I hope you do go ahead and click on that like button if you find this recipe interesting. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, do go ahead and click on that red subscribe button. Click on the bell icon that goes with it. That way you will never miss any recipe from this channel. So right now, as you can see, I went ahead and add in the other parts of my mangi and stir this together, of which you can notice that I haven't yet added any salt to this Ayamase stew. So I went ahead and add in the other batch of my grounded crayfish and my smoked prawn. And I'm going to allow this to cook on a high heat for about 20 to 25 minutes until I start noticing oil at the top of the sauce. So right now, I went ahead and add in my boiled egg so it will start cooking with the Ayamase sauce and also absorb all those nice tastes from the sauce. So at this moment, you can see that my sauce have been cooking very well. You can see it is getting very dried and the oil is coming at the top. So guys, right now I'll go ahead and add in 1 cup of my beef stock into the sauce, as it's going to give it that nice taste from the stock. I will stir this together and allow it to keep on cooking. So for all the full list of the ingredients used on this recipe, I have them all listed on the description box. Please do check it out so you can access them anytime you want to make yours. And if you have any question to ask me regarding this recipe, please do drop them on the comment section, as I'm always there reading through your comments and making sure to reply to them. So at this point, you can notice that my Ayamase sauce is well cooked. You can see the oil from the top, and I bet you guys, you have to try this recipe and see how delicious this sauce is. So right now, I went ahead and add in some salt as I tasted it and it was lacking some salt. So I will stir this up and allow it to cook for just 5 minutes more, and my Ayamase sauce is ready. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys are going to give this delicious and authentic Ayamase sauce a try. And if you do, please don't forget to drop me a comment letting me know if you love it. Till I see you on my next recipe, do have a lovely day. Do have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.